Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a SFM tutorial video, because I felt like the time to. Alright, so let's get into the basics. So if you want to download SFM, you need to type in source, filmmaker. There we go, it's free, and once you've downloaded it, now what I would do is go for the workshop and see if there's any models. Say like, well, I downloaded FNAF models. Say like, Spring Trap. There we go. And we pick a model to download. Let's say what do we do? Let's say like this one. Once it's downloaded, and if you want to download maps as well, just type in a map saying like FNAF 1 map. Come up with all the maps. Alright, so basically, let's download this map. It's probably all the props. And once, probably if it's installed already, let's go to SFM and launch it. Yeah, so just hit launch. Sometimes SFM can take a while to load. Not for me, because I've got a high-end PC, so yeah. So let's say like, yeah, that. I'm just not gonna create a scene. Basically, what here is you just hit OK. Then yeah, I've got some models, and yeah. Sometimes the models won't load first thing, so what I would do is quickly refresh SFM. Then just load it back up. And then yeah. So basically this is your options, so where you can create stuff, like, but this is where you put your frames in. Then you hit create here for your new thing, and you can just open your recent files where you had. And then let's say create that. Yeah. Basically what I would do is, to load map, you can either hit load map here by right clicking on the screen, or you can load map from here. What I might do is load map here, and saying, yeah, that map. Let's say outside. Let's say the FNAF 1 map that we just downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you might see it's black. Then enable lighting so you own the area. Alright, to move it, you hold the screen of the animation shot and WASD. It's quite simple, really. Yeah. Okay, and then alright, let's get a model in. Shut more VPN. Yeah, new model. Let's search for a Spring Trap model that we download. Spring Trap. I'm pretty sure this was it, right? Yeah, here we go. Here it is. Good old Spring Trap model. Enough, but we won't be using that model. Let's say like Freddy. I can't speak English. Say like, yeah, like this Freddy model right here. So basically, what I would do is go here. So basically, in the clip editor, you can't really do anything. Instead, like creating scenes by going to this shot here and then B. And if you want to undo the stuff, hit Control Z. Alright, so let's get Freddy into a position. You can either go to his his body groups area by just clicking on this space right here next to the name of the model. Then yeah. Alright, let's go right here. Let's move the camera a bit. And let's turn around so it's near facing us. Alright. So there's another way of grabbing the materials by holding control, and it shows the model group body groups. On this one, the motion editor, this basically allows you to pose. And yeah, you get to pose your stuff. So basically if I were to move that right here, then yeah, we'll do this. And yeah, right there. It's quite handy. And also this is right here as well. Alright. So what we do is now the animator. So basically how you animate it is the graph editor is basically the main thing. You can use your scroll wheel to go down. You can use the arrow keys to go a frame. And yeah, the right and left arrow keys go frame by frame. Then so basically if I were to, and I can automatically select a keyframe, so we put it like this. Then we go like 2 keyframes, 1, 2, saying that, and then 1, 2, that. Okay. Yeah, see, there we go. And I don't want that, so we can hit Control Z just to get rid of it. And now I want to add a bit of make the draw a bit bouncy. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 keyframes, and then let's move the jaw outwards a bit, and then let's skip 2 keyframes here, move it up a bit, move it down a bit by doing another 2 keyframes. If you want to make it more bouncy, like make 2 other extra keyframes for it. And that's the outcome. Then and if you're struggling to like stop the animation moving, make 2 keyframes here. 1, 2, like 3 keyframes of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. 2 keyframes like that. Done. So basically, if I want to do this right, I'm just gonna go like that. Okay, so let's move the head. I sometimes hate it when I need to find it. So if you can't find the thing that you're looking for, just go to the head. So 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. There we go. Let's do that again. I put it back to the same position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's just get this right here. Copy, because I don't want to put the head. Mess with the head right there. 1, 2. Just make it more bouncy. There we go. If you want to make them like wink, then where's the upper eyelid? Upper left eyelid, okay? So basically, if you want to do all that, let's 2 keyframes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put the keyframes back where it was. Copy and paste. There we go. Okay, well, that's looking good. Alright, now let's add some light to this place. If you want to add light, hit enable lighting, and let's go to the motion. Let's go to the motion editor, so we won't get any interference like keyframes on the lights. So just go to the plus icon right here. If you would like to spawn modeling, we have camera, light, model, particle system, and existing elements. So what we want to do is add the light in, which we've already done. And if you want to control the light, you have to drag it to the screen, and then, as before, move it around. Intensity makes the light a bit darker or brighter. Radius makes the light a bit more bigger, like a bit more real. Don't know what it makes the shadows a bit weird. So does this one. I think that's minimizing the distance of the light. It makes it more brighter, which we don't want. Way too brighter. Then you make quadratic makes it less brighter. Far atom basically how far the light goes. Near edge, don't know what that does. No, don't know what that does. Cut on, don't know what that does. Cut off, don't know what that does. Volumetric intensity. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you can mess with the light around. Say enable volumetrics then. Makes it more foggy. And we don't want it really to be that foggy now. So we can always enable that and disable that. So it gives us like a little fog atmosphere. Noise strength, I don't know what that does. Width, don't know what that does. Don't know what that does. Alright, don't know what that does. And this is where you can change your colour. So like if you want like a little purple light, let's see here, and then here, and then just right there, and we got purple light. See? Which we don't want any colours right now, and that's basically all you need. Color alpha, I don't know what that does. That's the light for you. And if you already have a camera, you just hit create animation sets for existing animations, and yeah. And well, field of view is basically zooms in and out. So like, yeah, let's say like one more. Focal distance, it's like that. Basically shows, and basically focal distance at a aperture is basically how far, how would it goes, like saying makes it more blurry. Why isn't the light? Where's the light? Okay, yeah. And what you want to do is save SFM every once in a while, because it tends to crash. So basically what you want to do is yeah, basically that's what we want to do. Turn map scale makes the map a bit brighter. Bloom scale makes the particles go brighter. Like, why does the light keep on disappearing? Don't like that. Alright. Then this gets rid of the shadows. Makes it more shadowy. The hell? The hell did I do? What's up? Oh, that gets rid of the shadows. Okay. Don't want that. It's weird. Makes it more brighter. Hello, and yeah. If you want to add like music or stuff to that, go to the clip editor and right click on, go scroll down and right click on the thing for sounds. And I track, like I can add the FNAF 1 song and all of that. Full songs like outside your window. Alright, that's all for SFM, and yeah. Right, so that's all the camera options that is needed. Why is that light keep on turning off? I don't know. Okay, so you've got everything done right here. You can, and also you can make things smoother. Like, say let's make the. Actually, it's not, no animation source needs to be smooth. Make the animation a bit more smooth. And I don't know what all of these do. I know either jitter or stagger makes the thing shake. And yeah. Hopefully this tutorial helps for you. Alright. Bye.